I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide that you can use to make money online as a video editor. A lot of entertainment companies and media companies are looking for professional video editors to help them produce and edit their videos properly. Entertainment and media companies are willing to pay huge sums of money to professional video editors to help them edit their videos properly. So if you can learn these video editing skills, you can make steady income every day from this business. This is because video editing services are in high demand today in the marketplace. So once you learn and develop these video editing skills, you can easily get jobs. Also, there are a lot of video editing jobs that are listed on freelance websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, peopleperhour.com, and freelancer.com. So there are a lot of opportunities waiting for you as a professional video editor. So please follow this step-by-step guide to start a video editing business from scratch. Step 1. Develop the necessary video editing skills that you need for your career. You need to learn and develop the necessary video editing skills that you need for your business. Examples of skills that you need for your video editing businesses are video production skills, comprehensive knowledge of video editing software, proofreading, and computer skills. So learn these skills and become a professional video editor. Step 2. Buy the necessary equipment that you need for your video editing business. You need to buy the necessary equipment that you need for your video editing business. Examples of equipment that you need for your video editing career are laptop computer, video editing software, hard, hard drive for storage, speakers, and digital audio workstation. So make sure that you purchase these equipment for your video editing business. Step 3. Start looking for video editing jobs. You need to start looking for video editing jobs so that you can start making money online. You can find video editing jobs on freelance websites such as upwork.com, fiverr.com, freelancer.com, and peopleperhour.com. There are a lot of video editing jobs available on these freelance websites that I just mentioned. You can also offer your video editing services to media and entertainment companies that are available in the city that you live in. So create complimentary cards and hand them out to media and entertainment companies that exist in your city. Step 4. Create a website for your video editing business. You need to create a website for your video editing business. You also need to list all the video editing services that you provide on your website. Also remember to fix the price of your video editing services on your website. Remember to provide your contact details and email address on your website so that your clients can contact you easily. Step 5. Promote your video editing business on social media. Make sure that you promote your video editing business on all social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Make sure that you are very active on social media so that your potential clients can discover you easily on social media. Step 6. Provide high quality video editing services to your clients. Make sure that you provide the best quality video editing services to your clients so that you can retain them and get more clients for your business. Providing low quality services to your clients will make you lose your clients and customers. Providing a low quality service can be very detrimental to your video editing business. So make sure that you provide the best quality services available for your clients. So that's all for today. Make sure that you follow this step by step guide that I just provided for you to start a successful video editing business from scratch. So follow these steps carefully. If you have any questions, please ask me on the comment section right now so that I can answer them immediately. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification button to this channel so that you can get the latest information about online businesses on this channel. Remember to like and share this video so that your friends and families can also learn how to make money online as a video editor. Make sure that you watch other videos on this channel so that you can learn different strategies that you can use to make money easily online. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye. See you on my next video.